advance request for the cooking general. A caviar etouffee. Oh, I could do that. A blender. I can do a blender.
Cooking general, do you know how to make a tater tot casserole?
One of the simplest recipes in the book. A tater tot casserole. Come on, let me show you. For a tater tot casserole, the cooking general, get you some ground meat. Spank it right there. Some cheddar cheese, Velveeta cheese, onions, bell pepper, cream of mushrooms, cream of chicken, and your tater tots. Simple. We can put that together. So let me see you casserole, a casserole, a casserole, a casserole. Cooking general back now. We're gonna get this tater tot casserole going. Oh, one more bill. All right, let's see which one I want. This one or this one? This one? This one.
Ooh, we got the big boy.
That's how we do it. All right, let's go here. You bring your ground meat. Now, the only seasoning you're gonna use you a little of this here. You want a little garlic powder in there. We're gonna sprinkle a little garlic powder in there. And black pepper. Now y'all probably saying, cooking general. What about the salt? Now we're gonna add cream of mushroom, cream of chicken, and cheese. They got salt in it. So you don't want it too salty. So you add salt after you finish cooking it, because if you add salt now, you add a pinch. But not so salt. I'm not gonna put that in mine. I'm gonna see how it tastes after I get it done. You can add that later. So no salt. Alright, come back and I'll show you what you do. Whew. Man, can openers ain't worth nothing these days. Get you a knife. This here got a pop top, so I can pop this one up. But I try to use a can opener, I have to cut this with a knife. But anyway, now we got a ground meat brown. You want to add your onions and your bell pepper. And get it. Oh, hell no. I ain't leaving now. Drop. Get all that out of there. Get it? Okay, now, you want to add your cream of mushroom and your cream of chicken. Now you say these cans because you're going to wash them out now. And you stir this up. And when this get done, I'm going to get this mixed in real good. And I'm going to show you what you do next. Cooking general. You got to ask no. All right, y'all. Back to the casserole. Now we got the see all brown. Now you put that there off in your pan. Look at that. You put all that in there. Spread it out like that. Now you spread that in your casserole dish. Your tater tot casserole. Now, we're going to start out with cheddar cheese. We're going to put the Velveeta cheese on top. You're going to spread you some cheddar cheese right here. Or you can use Velveeta cheese all the way through the thing, but I'd like mine with a little cheddar in it. So, we'll put the cheddar cheese right there. Spread it around. Get that looking all nice. Now, you want to take your tater tot frozen, and you want to put them on the top of there, like this. Spread them out. There we go. Spread them out. Spread them. And I got 2 bags just in case. I wanted to make sure I covered all the little cracks and crevices. Here's what you want to do. Now I preheated my oven to 375. So there we go. Tater tots on the top. And we're going to cook these here until they brown. There we go. Now, put them in the oven. And now, we finna the casserole. A casserole. Oh, damn. Damn. All right. Oh. Cooking general here. Check it out. Tater tot casserole about ready. Now, once you bring your tater tots, you pull them out. Look at that. You pull them out. And that's when you put your Velveeta cheese on top. Put that Velveeta cheese on there. Let it melt. Put you a bunch of it on there. Oh yeah, that's a tater tot casserole. Put it on there, and when this cheese melt, this booger ready. Around edges. There we go. Get it on out of there. Now, there we go. Put it in the oven. And when it's melt, it's finished. Come back and I'm gonna show you. Cooking General. Ask somebody. No, don't ask nobody. Cooking General back. Look at here. Tater tot casserole. Man, look at that. Look at that. Oh man, look at all that ground meat off in there. Oh, that gravy. Man. Now, that's what you call a meal. That's a tater tot casserole right there. Man, I'm telling y'all, some of the best eating you can have. A tater tot casserole, it's real simple, it's easy. I was gonna do something more difficult, but I had a lot of requests to do a tater tot casserole because a lot of people didn't know how to cook it. There ain't nothing Cooking General can't cook, and ain't no alcohol the Cooking General can't drink.
I bet you can't drink that.
Think what I got, man. This?
No.
This here?
No.
This?
Yes.
Oh, 70%. Rubbing that. Oh, that's more 7%, man. You better ask somebody.